Okay, so welcome back to this video on the Panorama device. Just a little update on what this is about. We're trying to take the Panorama device, it's an M100 hardware device, and we're upgrading it from a 7.01 to a 7.1 and then to a 8 and from there to a 8.1. So the first thing I'm going to have a look at is the Panorama tab, and if you go on the software, it says it's got to have an active license. Well, the previous video sort of showed that that wasn't necessarily correct. However, I do notice that this file upload is now gone. So let's try and upload a file. And if we go to select the file of 7.1, let's have a look, see whether that goes up. So it should be there in a moment. I'm hoping that the next stage shows strangely that the file has now been uploaded. So this is a bit of a change to the situation, upgrading from 6 to 7. Interestingly, number 5 has now shown up, so it should be pretty easy now to do the install. Pretty much just a warning there to warn you about upgrading and migrating. So let's just do OK, and let's hope for the best. So this is now going, and I'll bring this video back when it gets up to 99. Okay, 99% here, and it's just gone through to the 100%, and now we're going to reboot. Okay, so while that's rebooting, I'll come back to you when I've logged in, and we'll just check the situation out. Okay, so we're now back on the device. Let's log in and see how we've got on. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, so we're at 7.1. So there's been a slight change in the way that it looks to me. Slightly bigger text, and let's have a look at the device now. Okay, so let's do another upload, and let's do a browse, and let's jump right through now to 8. Okay, so let's upload that file. Okay, so let's uploading the new file. That's been saved, and let's install version 8. Okay, so this is going to go ahead now, and I'll come back to you at 99%. Okay, so it seems that we've got an error here, and we've got to upgrade from serial to serial. Requires a content version of 655 or greater. So let me see if I've got this so that it can go through. So let's have a look at dynamic updates. Let's do a check and see if it goes out and gets that content update. It looks like it does. So really we can go ahead and download if it lets us. So it's downloading the antivirus, and it looks like we can go and do the threats, and also could probably do a wildfire here as well. So I'm going to go through this and download the recent updates. Okay, that shouldn't be too long here. I'm surprised that they're going to let me download the wildfire as well. Okay, we get rid of that. We can download this one. Okay, so we're just coming to the end of the applications and threats now. And let's close that down. And let's download the wildfire updates as well. That's gone straight through there very quickly. Let's close that down. Let's install the antivirus now. So that's completed very quickly. Let's install the applications and threats. Okay, so that's just completed now. And let's do the final install of Wildfire. Shouldn't be too quickly, it should fly through, it did. Right, let's have a look at doing the software. We've got version 8.0.2. Let's install that. That seems to be going through now. Okay, so that's come back now and with a reboot command, so I'll get this rebooted and I'll see you in a few moments. Okay, so we're just logging into the device now. We've got a screen, version 8, looks good. Version 8. So let's go for the 8.1 version and upload. Out of interest, let's do check now. Okay, so check now doesn't do anything. Okay, let's do upload, browse, version 8.14. Okay, so that's uploading now. Okay, so that seems to have uploaded. Let's see whether we get the file in the list. Okay, so slightly smaller footprint, and let's install. Okay, so when this gets back, I'll update you.